It's good to get your puppies out in the woods as early as you can to get them used to running and hunting and climbing on sticks and doing whatever, and to get them used to coming to you too when you call them. Here, Chief, see if he knows his name. Come on, Chief. Only had him for a week. Good boy, good boy. How about Penny? Here, Penny. Here, Penny girl. Here, Penny girl. Need a little work on Penny. Got to edit that out. Come on, Penny girl. Good girl, come on. Good girl, good girl. Come on, Penny girl. Here she comes. She know her name. Come on, girl. Good girl, good girl. I hear you, Chief. I hear you. Good girl, good man.
Under my feet, or what the gentle breeze of heaven will be like. I've tried to imagine how the angels will sound as they sing down by the river of life.